Imagine a rule so simple yet so powerful that it quietly separates people who struggle financially from those who quietly build real wealth. It isn't taught in schools, it isn't on the news, and most people don't even realize it exists. But somehow, it's there, influencing decisions in ways that are almost invisible until you experience it yourself. Today, we're going to explore what some call the $20,000 rule. Not a flashy trick, not a shortcut to overnight riches, but a concept that, if understood, can completely change the way you approach money, opportunity, and your life. And here's the thing, nobody explains it properly. You're about to discover why and how it silently governs the financial paths of millions. By the time we're done, you might see your own choices in an entirely new light. The unseen threshold. The $20,000 rule isn't about magic numbers or luck. It's about patterns, thresholds, and a very human tendency to treat certain amounts of money differently. Think about it. There's a difference between spending a small amount, say for daily essentials, and committing a sum that feels significant. That number, the one that feels real in the mind, isn't the same for everyone. But for many people, there's a mental barrier around $20,000. It's fascinating because this number isn't arbitrary. It represents a scale of life-changing potential. Spending below it often feels routine, almost invisible. Spending beyond it triggers hesitation, debate, even stress. Yet paradoxically, this is the same threshold where many life-altering opportunities appear. A course that could transform your career, an investment that could compound over years, a decision that might reshape your path entirely. And yet, it's ignored, misunderstood, or approached with fear. Some experts suggest that this invisible line exists because human psychology isn't linear. Our brains react emotionally to certain numbers. Below the threshold, we act on impulse or habit. Above it, we deliberate, sometimes endlessly. Understanding this can be a quiet game changer. Why nobody talks about it? Part of the reason this rule remains obscure is that it challenges conventional advice. Most financial wisdom is conservative. Save, don't risk, and work hard. And while those principles are valid, they only tell half the story. The $20,000 rule exposes a tension between caution and opportunity. It's uncomfortable because it asks people to think in terms of decisions that truly matter, not incremental tweaks or minor savings, but pivotal moves that can shift life's trajectory. Public discussion around money often focuses on incremental improvements. Budgeting, coupons, side hustles, these are safe, tangible, and easy to digest. But the $20,000 rule lives in a different zone. It exists in the space of risk versus leverage, where decisions carry weight, and that's precisely why it's not widely discussed. People are often more comfortable talking about minor gains than about confronting the choices that could define their future. The anatomy of the rule. So what does the rule actually look like in practice? At its core, it's a principle about scale and focus. Decisions under $20,000 are often reversible, trivial, or easily absorbed. Decisions above it carry consequences that ripple outward, sometimes slowly, sometimes immediately. Now here's where it gets interesting. The people who understand this rule often act differently. They don't obsess over small gains. Instead, they direct their energy towards decisions that cross that psychological threshold. They recognize the difference between a minor expense and a transformative investment. They understand the power of committing to opportunities that seem significant, not reckless, but meaningful. And there's a subtle emotional layer. When you treat these decisions with the respect they deserve, you begin to see patterns. You notice how time, money, and focus interact. You start making choices that compound, not just financially, but in knowledge, skill, and relationships. The $20,000 rule isn't a formula for instant wealth. It's a framework for prioritizing life-altering moves without being paralyzed by fear or indecision. A story you might recognize. Consider this scenario. Someone receives an opportunity to invest in a course or program that promises to improve their career. The cost feels daunting. They hesitate, weigh pros and cons, ask for reassurance. On paper, it's just money, but psychologically, it's more. That sum, significant yet manageable, is often where growth happens. People who ignore the rule may delay, overthink, or dismiss the chance entirely. Those who embrace it take a calculated leap, and their trajectory changes. There's a quiet irony here. Many people fret over small, almost invisible amounts, yet hesitate at sums that could define the next decade. It's not about recklessness, it's about recognizing where your effort and resources produce the largest returns. The $20,000 rule acts like a magnifying glass, highlighting decisions that carry weight without making them terrifying. The hidden psychology behind it. Why do people react this way? Human decision-making is wired to balance risk and reward, but with a strong bias toward avoiding loss. Minor losses feel small. Major losses trigger panic. The $20,000 rule exists at the intersection of these feelings. It's large enough to activate fear, but often small enough to be manageable. That tension creates a decision-making pressure cooker. Psychologists call this mental accounting, a way the brain compartmentalizes money and choices. When an amount crosses a psychological line, it feels different, even if logically it's just another number. The rule leverages this subtle mental mechanism. Those who understand it learn to navigate these emotional triggers instead of letting them dictate action. Now here's the part most people never realize. The $20,000 rule doesn't just apply to spending or investing. It applies to time, attention, and energy. You might spend 20,000 units of effort on minor distractions and see little change. Or you could focus that same effort on a single transformative task and watch results multiply. It's a mindset shift as much as a financial principle. Some of the most successful people quietly acknowledge this. They aren't obsessed with every detail. They identify high-leverage decisions, projects, investments, relationships, and commit fully. The $20,000 rule acts as a filter. It separates the trivial from the transformative, highlighting where focus and commitment truly matter. Practical examples in everyday life. Think about everyday scenarios. Booking a trip that could expand your perspective, taking a course that could increase your earning potential, investing in tools that enhance your skills. These are all decisions that sit near the threshold of the $20,000 rule. The outcome is rarely immediate. The change is often subtle at first, building momentum quietly. Or consider business decisions, launching a project with the right resources, hiring key talent, or investing in marketing that reaches a larger audience. These are points where traditional caution might prevent action, but those who apply the principle understand the difference between minor risks and strategic leaps. They channel resources where impact is greatest. Even in personal life, the rule shows up. Pursuing relationships, mentorships, or experiences that require commitment and sacrifice often feels significant, almost risky. Yet these are the very decisions that shape character and opportunity. The $20,000 rule is less about the money itself and more about recognizing the threshold where decisions carry weight. The compounding effect. One of the most powerful aspects of the rule is compounding, not just in finance, but in experience, skill, and perspective. A single decision that crosses the threshold can set off a chain reaction. Knowledge gained, connections formed, confidence built, they all multiply over time. And here's the subtle secret. People rarely notice the moment it begins. The effect unfolds gradually, almost imperceptibly. That's why it's so often overlooked. Success isn't usually about a single heroic act. It's about consistently applying the principle, focusing energy, attention, and resources on the moments that matter. The $20,000 rule simply clarifies which moments deserve that focus. Common misconceptions. There are a few misconceptions that keep people from embracing this rule. First, some think it's about spending recklessly or taking unnecessary risks. That's not the case. The rule is about calculated commitment, recognizing which choices carry meaningful outcomes. Second, some assume it only applies to wealthy people. In reality, it's a mindset that scales. Even modest resources can be directed toward decisions that surpass routine thinking. It's not about the literal sum, it's about the relative significance of the choice. And finally, some assume the rule guarantees success. It doesn't. Nothing in life guarantees results. But it does provide clarity. It helps prioritize decisions that are disproportionately impactful, reducing wasted effort and indecision. A reflection on opportunity. Take a moment and think about your own life. Are there decisions you've delayed because they felt significant? Opportunities that seemed intimidating yet held the potential for real change? Most of us have them, and most of us underestimate the power of crossing that threshold. The $20,000 rule invites you to see those moments differently. It asks you to step back, evaluate potential impact, and allocate resources, time, money, attention, where it matters most. Not recklessly, not impulsively, but thoughtfully. The quiet power of awareness. What makes this rule powerful isn't a dramatic strategy or secret formula, it's awareness. Simply noticing the threshold, recognizing its significance, and acting deliberately is transformative. Many people live their lives never noticing where these thresholds lie. They make countless small decisions, yet the big ones, the ones that truly shape careers, finances, and personal growth, remain elusive. Recognizing the $20,000 rule changes that. It gives a quiet framework for action. Imagine looking back years from now and realizing that a single, deliberate choice, once intimidating, once uncertain, had quietly shifted your trajectory. That's the essence of the $20,000 rule. It's not flashy, it's not immediate, but it's quietly, profoundly transformative. The choices that seem significant, when made thoughtfully, compound in ways that few expect. Life rarely rewards extremes. It doesn't favor blind impulsiveness any more than it favors endless hesitation. Instead, it quietly favors those who learn to live in the narrow space between the two, where fear is acknowledged but not obeyed, where risks are calculated rather than avoided, and where action is taken before certainty ever fully arrives. That is the subtle balance most people miss, and it's where real progress is born. The $20,000 rule isn't about money in isolation. It's a way of understanding how commitment works in the real world. When people hesitate, it's often because they're waiting for perfect conditions, more confidence, more knowledge, more reassurance. But perfection rarely shows up. Opportunity usually arrives incomplete, a little uncomfortable, and demanding a leap of faith. The rule simply highlights the moment when thinking must give way to doing. Fear plays a role here, but not the role many assume. Fear isn't a stop sign, it's a signal. It tells you that something meaningful is at stake. Those who succeed aren't fearless. They're just willing to move forward while fear is still in the room. They weigh the risks, understand the costs, and then decide that inaction carries a higher price than failure. Effort alone isn't enough. Hard work without direction can be exhausting and unproductive. Opportunity, on the other hand, means little without the courage to act on it. The balance lies in recognizing when preparation has done its job and when commitment must take over. In that sense, the $20,000 rule becomes more than a guideline, it becomes a mindset, a lens through which decisions look clearer, hesitation feels more expensive, and action feels more intentional. And often, that small shift in perspective is what separates those who wait from those who move forward, and ultimately, those who grow. So, the next time you face a decision that feels heavy, that triggers hesitation or doubt, pause. Ask yourself, does this cross the threshold? Is this the moment where focus, resources, and commitment could create disproportionate impact? If so, treat it with respect, deliberate carefully, and take action. Because while small decisions shape daily routines, the decisions that cross the threshold shape destinies. Life rarely driven by luck as much as people like to believe. Luck is often just preparation meeting opportunity, disguised as chance. The real difference between those who move forward and those who remain stuck lies in awareness, recognizing which opportunities truly matter, and in the courage to act when those moments appear. Most opportunities don't arrive with certainty or guarantees. They arrive quietly, demanding judgment, discipline, and a willingness to commit. The $20,000 rule isn't about chasing fast results or taking reckless leaps. It's about clarity. In a world overflowing with options, noise, and constant distraction, decision-making becomes harder than ever. The rule acts as a filter, forcing you to ask a simple but powerful question: is this worth real commitment? If the answer is yes, then half measures no longer make sense. If the answer is no, then walking away becomes an act of discipline rather than failure. Many people confuse motion with progress. They stay busy, consume endless information, and wait for the right time, believing effort alone will carry them forward. But effort without direction scatters energy. The $20,000 rule reminds us that progress requires focus, choosing fewer paths and committing to them fully, even when outcomes are uncertain. Courage plays a central role here, not the loud, dramatic kind, but the quiet courage to say no to distractions and yes to meaningful work. Insight allows you to recognize what aligns with your long-term goals, while discipline ensures you stay the course when motivation fades. Together, these qualities transform opportunity into growth. In the end, the $20,000 rule functions less like a shortcut and more like a compass. It doesn't promise ease or speed. Instead, it points consistently toward decisions that build value, purpose, and momentum, guiding you away from distractions and toward a life shaped by intentional action rather than chance. If this perspective was useful, share your thoughts in the comments. What decisions in your life have felt like they crossed a threshold? Don't forget to like this video if it gave you clarity, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into ideas that quietly shape the world around us. Every decision matters, and awareness is the first step.